Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that has become a favorite among many health-conscious consumers, the Splenda Stevia Liquid Zero-Calorie Sweetener Drops. If you're on the hunt for a delicious, sugar-free alternative to sweeten your drinks and recipes, you've come to the right place. This product is touted as the best liquid Splenda sweetener on the market, and I can't wait to show you why. Let's start with what makes this sweetener stand out. Some text goes here. Splenda's Stevia Liquid Sweetener Drops come in a convenient 3.38 fluid ounces bottle, and what's even better, it's available in a pack of 2. These drops are not just 0 calories, they're also gluten-free, kosher, and vegan-friendly, making them an excellent option for various dietary preferences. Now, let's talk about how to use these drops. The beauty of Splenda Stevia is its versatility. Just a few drops can transform your beverages, whether it's your morning coffee, tea, or even a refreshing glass of water. It blends seamlessly without any aftertaste, unlike some other sweeteners on the market. But it doesn't stop at drinks. You can incorporate these sweetener drops into your cooking and baking as well. Whether you're making a smoothie, baking a cake, or preparing a dessert, Splenda Stevia adds just the right amount of sweetness without the calories. It's perfect for those following low-sugar or keto diets. Speaking of ingredients, let's take a look at what's inside. The formula is simple: water and stevia leaf extract. This means you're getting a natural sweetener derived from the stevia plant, making it a healthier choice than traditional sugars or artificial sweeteners. Now, one of the most significant advantages of using liquid sweeteners like this one is their concentrated form. You have full control over how sweet you want your drink or dish, and it's easy to adjust according to your taste preferences. Just remember, a little goes a long way. If you're concerned about sugar intake or managing your weight, this product is a game changer. With 0 calories and 0 carbohydrates, you can indulge in sweetness without any guilt. It's also ideal for those who may be diabetic or looking to reduce their sugar consumption. So, who is this product for? Whether you're a busy professional looking for a quick and easy sweetening solution, a parent wanting healthier options for your family, or simply someone who enjoys the occasional sweet treat without the extra calories, Splenda Stevia Liquid Sweetener Drops are designed for you. Imagine enjoying your favorite recipes, drinks, and desserts, all enhanced with the delightful sweetness of Splenda Stevia. Plus, it's so convenient, no more measuring out sugar or dealing with messy packets. Just a few drops, and you're set. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on the price. This pack of 2 bottles retails at around $13.76, which averages out to just $2.04 per fluid ounce. Given the quality and versatility of the product, many find it to be a worthwhile investment for their health and taste buds. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best liquid Splenda sweetener to add to your pantry, the Splenda Stevia Liquid Zero-Calorie Sweetener Drops are a top contender. With its natural ingredients, versatility, and ability to satisfy your sweet cravings without the calories, it's no wonder why this product is gaining popularity. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product insights, and leave a comment below on what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay sweet.